Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to install the VLC media player in the Windows operating system. So let's get started. Let's go to the google.com and here we'll type install VLC media player. Okay, so once you type that, here you can see the various options. So let's go to the official website of the VLC media player, that is videolan.org. Okay, so once you visit this particular official website, here you can see the download VLC, and below that here you can see the various options, whether you really want to install for the Windows operating system, or you want to install for the iOS, or you want to install for the Android or Linux. Okay, so now I want to install it for the Windows operating system. Then I will have to click on Windows logo or the icon. So here you can see VLC for Windows. Okay, so now here you can see the option called download VLC. So now I will click on this particular download button. So once you click on that, the download should start automatically. It will start in some few seconds. Your download will start in few seconds. So here you can see the download is getting started. So now let's wait for some time till it gets downloaded. So the VLC media player has been already downloaded. So now let's try to install it. So now I will just right click on this particular option, and here you can see the open. So I will click on open. So here it will ask, please select a language. I have selected English language. I will click on OK. Welcome to VLC media player setup. Click next to continue. So I will click on next option, and again I will click on next option after reading all these license and agreement details. Okay, so you are now aware of your rights. Click next to continue, click next, and again I will click on next, and here it will ask like where you want to really install it. So the destination folder, you can choose it wherever you want to install it. Okay, so here I have selected for the C drive, so I will click on install option. Okay, so let's wait for some time till it gets installed. Okay, so installation has been already completed. Here it is showing completing the VLC media player setup. VLC media player has been installed on your computer. Click finish to close the setup. Okay, so now let's try to click on this finish option. So here I have already check mark run VLC media player. So now let's click on finish. So once you click on finish, it will automatically open the VLC media player, because I have selected the run VLC media player as soon as it gets installed. Okay, so this is how you can install the VLC media player in the Windows operating system. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.